This tutorial is to help you use Firefox, which is a web browser, and most importantly, it has some add-ons that allow you to create and not create, but be able to download and use video from the web, but more importantly, use video and get video to your iPads. And so it has lots of functionality for that purpose in particular. So first off, I just simply search for Firefox. I click the download button. It will give me this wonderful pop-up menu, and I will start my download. After clicking run, it will take a few seconds to download, but then once you are there, you just simply go through the process. Standard is fine. Use Firefox as your default. That's your choice. And then click install. This will take a few seconds to do, and then it will ask you to launch Firefox. Once that launches, it is going to ask you a couple questions, and those questions are going to be, do you want to move over your bookmarks and your favorites? That is 100% up to you. If you don't want to do that, then don't do that. If you use your bookmarks and favorites, then you can go down that path if you choose. Okay, so when it comes up here, you'll get this getting started with Firefox, and that is you don't have to use that. And here's the Mozilla start page. So the next thing that is important is that you're going to want to search for download helper. And download helper is a program that is really handy for getting and using video and transferring it to a format that your iPads can use, as well as using it into PC programs and whatnot. So once you search for download helper, you click install. And once you've clicked install, it will come up and take you to a process just like installing Firefox. So now once the page is up, it says before you install, run a free scan. You don't have to do any of that, but Video Download Helper is best installed from the add-on site. So you click that, bam, this page comes up and it says add to Firefox. So you add to Firefox and it will pop up, and you click install now, and then it's going to ask you to restart Firefox. So you click the restart button. And Firefox is restarting for you as we speak. So once I have just loaded CNN.com video. Nice part about it is it'll let you grab any video that you want on almost literally any site here. So very quickly, to get to download helper, there's a couple different ways. If I hit tools and go down here, here's download helper. If I click on preferences, if I have it showing in the status bar, it will show up in one of two places. It will show up right here on some browsers, just depending on the computer, and it will show up right down here if you see the little icon down here spinning. Okay, and so that's good. That little icon, whenever it's on a page, whatever page you're on, if it's spinning, that means there's video content that you can download if you want to copy, which is very nice. Sometimes if you want to copy an ad, if you're using it for something in your classroom, or it's just a video on something else, you can download it that way. So the second piece is, I'm going to go right back in here to preferences, but now I'm going to go to conversion. And yours might or might not say, it might say the converter is not found. If it's not found, then you simply hit discover converter or find it, and it will take you to a website just like we did with the Firefox, and you click it and add it in, and then when you come back to this, it'll be there. So as long as this says the converter has been found, you're set. Otherwise, it is a two-click process to get through that to get to that point. So once you're there, you're set. And so when you go back to your main screen, as you can see right now, this little icon down here is spinning, which means there's video. Obviously there's lots of video here, but it's looking for the most active video. So as you see, I have a video playing right here, and I can see it, and I'm like, this would be something good for my class. So down here at the bottom, the little guy's going crazy, spinning around. So all I have to do is click, and it tells me that there's a video here, and it's video breaking news, and it's an FLV file. Well, FLV files aren't super useful for a lot of devices, but I have lots of options, and you can explore, and you can probably only see the top 3 just the way the screen's set up. But I'm going to click this download and convert. And when I click the download and convert button, it gives me this menu, and it gives me all sorts of options. So this is useful as you're looking at different things on your computer. If you're on a Mac, a PC, Macs like QuickTime, PCs like MPEGs or WMV, but in particular iPads like this one, the iPod format. And so if I want to convert this to an iPod format, I click it, I'm going to click OK. It's going to give me a drop down menu, and I can save this into a folder, whatever I've got, and then I simply click save. This menu pops up over here and tells you that there is pictures or whatnot downloading. Depending on the length of the video will be the length of time that it comes in. The nice part about that is now that you have it as an iPod video, you can simply attach it to an email and open it up on your iPad, and it's a video that'll play on your iPad. You can import those videos into a movie maker. If you have kids working on a project and they need video clips to edit in there, they can do that as well. Very, very useful, very handy, great way to get videos from Discovery Streaming, whatnot, to play and be usable for students across the board as they edit and create content. But it's also very useful and easy to get those devices, get those videos on iPads as well, which is sometimes a challenge. So hopefully this is useful and helps you with the process.